Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex Datejust 36, this one with a beautiful pink Roman diamond dial. This also has an 18 karat white gold fluted bezel, and it's also on a Jubilee bracelet. The model reference number for this watch is 126234. The retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $11,250 in US dollars. So I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet. And I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Datejust 36 is a 36mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a unisex watch and can be worn by men and women. It's a mid-sized watch for men and a large watch for women. Now, this case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so you can wear this watch at the pool. It's going to hold up just fine. Now, you're not going to find yourself going diving with this watch on, though. The case is made of 904L stainless steel, which is corrosion resistant. Makes for a good polish. You can see the side of the case, the tops of the lugs holding the bracelet have a high polished mirror finish on them. Let's go ahead and try this on for size. Now wearing this on my wrist, it does fit me properly. Looks great on my wrist, actually. I love the Jubilee bracelet. This bracelet also has a deployment buckle. I'll show you why that's important later. Beautiful. So if I can size this watch to my wrist, it's going to fit me just fine. Going on the bezel here, we have a bezel that's crafted in 18 karat white gold. It's a fluted bezel, so you can see how it gleams or how it deflects light as I move it. It's really cool. This is one of those things that makes it instantly recognizable as a Rolex. This bezel is a $1,250 upgrade from the stainless steel smooth bezel. So if you wanted to upgrade to a diamond bezel, that would add an extra $6,800 from this model. So I think the best bang for the buck is going to be the fluted bezel, in my opinion. Now going in onto the dial, we're looking at this beautiful pink Roman dial with diamond hour markers. We have it here at the 9 and the 6 o'clock position. It's a sunburst dial radiating from the center of the dial. Pink dials are very popular lately. This dial has a diamond Roman numerals at the 6 and 9 o'clock for a little bit more pop on top of the Roman numerals. The white gold sword shape hour hands and minute hand match the dial very well. See how they're beveled. Now you're going to have a little hard time reading this watch in low light conditions, as there's no luminescence on this dial at all. Now you can see the date window here at the 3 o'clock position on the Cyclops lens. This date window actually, this Cyclops lens magnifies the window about 2.5 times its original size for easy viewing. The crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be worn in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. If you go into the second click out, you'll be able to adjust the date. And the third click out, we'll be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hand set, you can go ahead and pop down your crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. A movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3235. It has the hour, minute, center seconds, and a date function. Power reserve on this is about 70 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It's still going to be keeping time. The movement of your wrist is actually going to be self-winding this movement, so it's going to keep on working as long as you're wearing the watch. This movement is the workhorse for the bulk of Rolex's men's watches. It's based on the 3255 Day Date 40. So reliable movement. It provides features you'd want in a daily wear watch, especially that 70-hour power reserve. That's a really nice upgrade over the 55-hour power reserve before. Now going on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at the stainless steel Jubilee bracelet. Has a half polish, so we're looking at is a high polish on the center links, and the satin links, there's satin finish on the outer links here. This bracelet used to have a hidden clasp without an oyster deployment before. They did away with that in order to actually provide a deployment, which looks like the oyster bracelet, but when you open it up, you'll actually see that it has an easy link system. So you can actually fold this over and tighten up your bracelet like that. If you get hot and your watch starts strangling your wrist, then you can deploy this easy link feature. It will open it up another 5 millimeters to allow your wrist to breathe, so you don't end up taking your watch off. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, overall this is a really good watch for daily wear. I think the girls are going to be tending to actually wear this watch more often. It is a unisex size, so you can actually wear this as well as a guy. It's a beautiful watch. It has all the characteristics that I would say of a dress watch, being that it's a Roman dial and has a Jubilee bracelet. If you wanted a sportier watch, you'd probably be looking at an index dial with luminescence on the hour and minute hands and on the hour markers, and also on an oyster bracelet. But this watch looks great for a dress watch. If you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 126234. This is the Rolex Datejust 36 with a pink Roman diamond dial, 18 karat white gold fluted bezel, and a Jubilee bracelet. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.